The rampant vandalism of electricity infrastructure remains a major impediment to delivering quality and reliable power supply, especially to critical sectors such as health and manufacturing. Addressing journalists this morning at Uganda Media Center, the Minister of State for Energy, Honorable Sindronius Okas Opolot, said that this has affected lines supplying power in central and western Uganda.
On Sunday at 1, again in Mkono, the impact of vandalism. The rampant vandalism of electricity infrastructure remains a major impediment to delivering quality and reliable power supply, especially to critical sectors such as health and manufacturing.
Opolot notes that about 2 transmission lines from the Jinja-based Nalumale and Kira hydropower plants were vandalized, leading to extensive power blackouts in central and western Uganda.
Over the weekend, 2 132 kV transmission lines from the Jinja-based 180 megawatt Nalubale and 200 megawatt Kira hydropower plants were vandalized, leading to extensive power blackouts in central Uganda and western Uganda.
However, the minister says vandalism of electricity cost the nation over 2 billion Uganda shillings, which is spent annually to replace vandalized power lines, citing from the 5 newly vandalized transmission towers, which will cost Uganda Electricity Transmission Company Limited over 1 billion Uganda shillings.
Over 2 billion shillings is spent annually to replace vandalized power lines on average. Replacing 5 newly vandalized transmission towers will cost Uganda Electricity Transmission Company Limited over 1 billion shillings.
The ministry shall collaborate with security agencies to investigate, arrest, and prosecute vendor before courts of law.
The ministry shall heighten collaboration with security agencies to investigate, arrest, or prosecute vandals before courts of law. 2. Through the amended Electricity Act 2022, the government has placed more stringent penalties for vandalism-related offenses.
Report compiled by Joyce Nabulo, Brenda Mahoro, News at 8.